Welcome back to Bock Bouquet. If we saw our previous video, how to build an easy DIY raised garden bed, I'm going to show you an even easier version of that raised bed. Because we're only working with one single sheet of wood here, you don't even need your corner bracing. You just connect the corners and drill them together. So as long as you have some sort of drill at home, impact driver, you can do this even if you don't have a saw. Because here's a hack. I had all my wood cut at Lowe's. I just told the guy there, cut this piece at 4 feet, and then the sides, cut them at 45 inches because I know there's going to be an inch and a half here and an inch and a half on the other side. So when you join them together, that creates 48 inches. So this raised bed will be a 4 by 4 by 10 or 12. I forgot what I bought. So let's get started. I joined these two corners with a little clamp. I definitely recommend these. It's a 90-degree angle clamp, and you're gonna see how easy these work. Get some safety on. We're gonna go ahead and pre-drill some holes. So I have this piece right here. It's a 45-inch piece. This is a 48-inch piece. So we're gonna pre-drill our holes right here like this. That's one corner. We're gonna go ahead and remove our clamp, do that side, and this raised bed will come together in literally like just 2 to 5 minutes. Super easy and super quick. We're gonna come to this side and join these two corners, just like that. And then this is where your clamp comes into play. You just connect the corners here like this, and then you tighten it so that while you're screwing in with your drill, these guys will move on you. If you're working alone, it's a great tool to have around. These were about 10 bucks at Lowe's. Definitely recommend them. So there we go. We have our 90-degree pre-drill. And that's it, you guys. This is a 4 by 4. It's ready to be planted. You can put your soil in there and your fertilizer. Big enough to put a couple zucchini plants in there, some cucumbers, some tomatoes with a trellis, some peppers, some flowers, literally anything you want. If you want to see how to build a different style of raised bed garden, go ahead and click the video up here. It'll show how to build a 3 by 6 foot garden and 2 tiers. It's a little different than this one, but go ahead and give that one a watch. If you enjoyed the video today, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.